Do you know we are the largest producer of milk on the earth, and on the other hand we are the second largest exporter of beef on the earth also. Surprised? I'm also surprised, and that is only the reason why I'm just making this particular video. In the next few minutes I'm just going to discuss what problems our cows and buffaloes are facing in Indian dairy farm. उनकी जिंदगी 15 से 20 सालों की होने के बावजूद 4 से 5 सालों में सिमट के क्यों रह जाती है, and why everyone is promoting to be vegan. And apart from this, in the last I'm just going to explain that what we can do to bring the change in a society. So now let's start this video. And if you truly believe that being vegetarian is right, so it is not. Because you as a vegetarian, you are also involved in horrifying and exploitation of a cows and buffalo. Cows and buffalo, just like any other human being, has to be pregnant in order to produce the milk, right? And all the mammal lactates once after giving a birth to their child. Simple logic, and we all are aware about all this. Now one of the most important thing which we all should have to understand, that how our cows and buffalo got pregnant in Indian dairy farm. We are literally raping cows and buffalo in a land of ahimsa. ये सारी चीजें सही है और आज के टाइम में ये प्रैक्टिस में भी है, ये कोई आश्चर्य की बात नहीं है. And if my language upsets you, so I'm really sorry for that. But ये सारी की सारी चीजें सच है. And for example, the thing which is being practiced with a cow and buffalo, if the same thing is going to happen with any woman of our country, so what we are going to call it? Do you know what we are going to call it? We are going to call it as a rape. But do you know in the case of cow and buffalo what we are going to consider? We are considering it as an artificial insemination. हम सबको पता है कि हिंदू कल्चर के अकॉर्डिंग गाय को गौ माता का दर्जा दिया गया है. And even she is considered as a कामधेनु. She is the most divine supreme of all. And even हम सबको पता है कि उनके शरीर के हर एक कण कण में अलग अलग देवी देवताओं का वास है. Do you know what is गौ हत्या? गौ हत्या means a killing of cows or causing unnecessary harm or pain to the cows, जो कि हिंदू मान्यता के हिसाब से एक बहुत बड़ा पाप माना जाता है, which is equivalent to the sin of killing of man. अब आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, ये जो चीज है इसे गौ हत्या नहीं बोलेंगे तो और क्या बोलेंगे? और जो हमारे घर में एक एक पैकेट्स आते हैं दूध के, इवन जो भी डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स कंज्यूम करते हैं, इन सारे चीजों की शुरुआत यहीं से होती है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ अ काउ गिव बर्थ टू अ चाइल्ड एंड इफ दैट चाइल्ड इज अ मेल, so that child is sent to a slaughterhouse and to be killed. Do you know why? Because just like a male chicken is of no use for the egg industry, in the same way the male calf is also of no use for the dairy industry. और ये डेयरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए किसी यूज के नहीं होते, इसीलिए इन्हें स्लॉटर हाउस भेज दिया जाता है. And there they got killed and turned into leather shoes, bag, belt, purse and etc. If in case that child is female, but still इसे उसकी खुद के माँ का दूध पीने नहीं दिया जाता, she is immediately taken and tied away. जिस दूध पे सिर्फ उसका हक होता है, उस दूध को पैकेट्स में भर के घर घर पहुंचाया जाता है. और ये सिर्फ एक बार की बात नहीं है, इन गायों के साथ लगातार 5 से 6 सालों तक यही होता है. Every year she got pregnant, every year her baby is being separated from her, every day she got injected, she milked. And एक समय ऐसा आता है कि उसकी बॉडी और माइंड काम करना बंद कर देती है. She is no more profitable, उनसे पैसे कमाए नहीं जाते और इवन उनके दूध की मात्रा कम हो जाती है. So in the end उनको स्लॉटर हाउस में भेज दिया जाता है for the purpose of beef. Now it's time to talk about few of the horrifying facts. So the fact is that in our country mostly cow is being raised for the milk, but it is being sold for the beef. And today I'm just going to prove it also, because we all know that India is the largest producer of a milk on the earth, and on the other hand India is the second largest exporter of a beef on the earth also. It is not a coincidence, because mostly cows raised for the milk and eventually she killed for the beef. And after knowing all this thing, after hearing all this thing, still if you want to consume a dairy product, still you want to drink a milk, so I just want to request one thing, please try to eat beef also, because it makes zero difference for the cow. I know ये आप लोगों के लिए disgusting होगा, but still it makes zero difference for the cow, because she existed in the world for the demand of milk and she dies for the demand of beef. And in the last of this video I just want to make one request. यदि आप दिल से गाय को गौ माता मानते हैं, यदि आप गाय को एक माता का दर्जा देते हैं, so please try to think about them. क्योंकि आपको ये पता है कि उन्हें कैसे कैसे सिचुएशन से गुजरना पड़ता है, कैसे कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं. उनकी जिंदगी 15 से 20 साल की होने के बावजूद 4 से 5 सालों में क्यों सिमट के रह जाती है. यदि आपने ऐसा कुछ नहीं भी देखा हो तो आप अपने आस पड़ोस में खुद देख सकते हो, नहीं तो आप गूगल करके देख लीजिए, आप यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हैं. But please try to think about the animals and try to consider going vegan. Thank you so much.